Hi and welcome back to another episode of Pretty Healthy with Preetha. We are all very open to feedback, as in what our viewers and followers send after every video. We take that into consideration, we brainstorm, and we really look at what would be really meaningful and relevant for our viewers. And like that, based on that feedback, we curate all these videos. So like that, this is an episode which has been specially curated based on some of the comments and requests that have come from our viewers. Today it is about how to remove these black and dark marks on the elbow and the knee area. So let's look at the ingredients. So the three most important ingredients for this routine are potato, cucumber, and I have cut here half a lemon. There is a fourth ingredient which you can use, which is milk powder. If you do not have milk powder, that's completely fine. You can just use these three. If you have milk powder, I'll show you how to use that as well. So there are various benefits of each of these ingredients. Potato is known for skin lightening because of its bleaching tendency, and potato also is very rich in starch, which is very important enzyme used for whitening things. Cucumber is a coolant. Other than being a coolant, it is also very interesting because for the skin, once it goes through the bleaching process and all that, it needs to cool down immediately. So the cucumber acts as a coolant. Lime has got natural anti-inflammatory components in it, plus it is also a natural bleacher. So let's look at how to use it. I'm going to grate all the potato as well as the cucumber separately, and then I'm going to use this lime. Supposed to be using it in this order. First goes the potato juice, then goes the cucumber juice, and then goes the lime juice. Now for the lime, I used two options. One is just the lime juice can be applied directly, or you can have this half cut lime, and you can dab it into a little bit of milk powder and also add it. Now what it does, the milk powder gives that extra moisture to the dry areas. Since we have used 2 bleaching agents, the skin in that area can tend to get a little dry. So to moisturize it, you can use a milk powder, or if you're just going ahead with the lime juice, after using this, wash it off with water and then dab a little bit of moisturizing cream, which doesn't have too much of chemicals. Otherwise you can feel a tinge of burning sensation if it moisturizer is really harsh. This is best used when the ingredients are fresh. So make it fresh, don't store it for a very long time, especially the lime. Please do not store it. Every ingredient needs to be fresh. While using these, what I suggest is you use it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Each of the juices, put it into rotation movement around the elbow or the knee for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You can actually use this every single day if the skin around that area is really dark, and later on when it comes to normalcy, you can use it even twice a week. Hope you liked this episode of Pretty Healthy with Preetha. Hope you found it useful. Please try out this routine and please write to us how you found this routine. I will see you in another video, in another episode of Pretty Healthy with Preetha. Bye.